Unable to access MSI Info on Windows? Try these fixes we have for you in this video. Now, before diving into more complex fixes, it is always worth it to restart your computer first, and in many cases, a simple reboot would flush any memory conflicts and clear out any temporary files that may interfere with processes like this one. Next, you'll want to manually check for pending Windows updates. Do it by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, select Check for Updates, and wait for the process to search if there's any pending updates. Next up, if the issue only started recently, a new update may have caused it. So remove it by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, click Update History, choose Uninstall Updates, then choose the update you'd like to install, click Uninstall, then click Yes. Lastly, restore missing system files with DISM command. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Run the DISM command by entering the following, press Enter, and then wait for the process to be completed. After that is done, restart your computer and try accessing the MSINFO32 on Windows again. And those are the following fixes if you're unable to access MSINFO32 on Windows. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.